to show a clip of you two being here before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have a clip. So when we were here before.
Yeah. Steve, no.
Patricia. I'm sorry to both of you.
I was watching that, and I was like sitting here with the two of them, watching you watch that.
That's pretty funny, isn't it?
There are so many things I've always wanted to ask you, and now that you're here, it's all out of my head.
I'm so pleased to be here.
I'm really thrilled to have you.
Delighted. Pleased isn't even the word. Delighted. Well, I just got here.
We don't want to scare you away.
Okay.
We don't want to scare
I have a question.
Yes.
You've been, I was watching some of the Liberace movies. I went back and watched the interview last night on the plane. I'm right back of you interviewing Liberace.
Wow.
And I was like, wow, you have been every day on TV, working. But now you don't do that anymore. So what's a typical day like for you?
Well, I'm running a network, you know.
Yeah.
Every day that varies.
if you want to put out your fake cigarette. I'm running a network.
I'm running a network. I'm running a network, and I heard you just came from Maui, so I have a farm up in Maui. You should have come up.
Right now, who is your plus one?
You.
So
I could already see me at the gate.
The next time Gail comes, we'll just help her to put on.
So I have a variety of, and running a network, we have Tyler Perry, the Have and Have Not, starting tonight.
Yeah.
To me, it's so reminiscent of those great shows that I was so in love with. You know,
Yes.
Dallas.
It's Falcon Crest.
Landing, yeah, that great show.
Were those shows that you were both fans of?
Oh, I was truly a fan. I'm really inspired by it.
I was doing the show night and day, so.
Right, so you were not really watching.
Actually, I've watched more TV since Tyler's come to OWN than I've watched in my whole, since Mary Tyler Moore went off the air.
Just big the producer me. I know that we're live, and I know you guys got really excited when she came out, but shouldn't there be a commercial break or something?
There's always commercial. They won't understand. All right, she'll be back in just a minute.